Very nice little mini car. Looks like what I would consider a Mad Max small. And now we have. Riding champion. Oh! This is who you saw do some serious damage.
Hello guys, we are at Lonavala, AambyVelley Generation Speed. Here are Porsche carbon fiber. You can see the come over shoulder. You can see the carbon fiber. Provate Lamborghini SVJ, full of carbon fiber. Lamborghini and another Lamborghini. Hello guys, we are at JK Tire tent. You can see the Continental GT over here. There's the total complete body kit and cowl panel and the exhaust and all are belly cover and all headers comes changed start to end. You can see the finished of this Continental GT. You can see the tire over here. This is the very complete unique GT.
Who make even the eye of our between young in the flesh, always confident of being young as well.
सो मैं यहाँ टेंट पे खड़ा हूँ CS कस्टम पे. यहाँ उन्होंने टोयोटा हाइलक्स बनाया है विथ द ह्यूज हाइट ऑफ दिस कार. ये पूरा बम्पर कवर, ग्रिल, GR का ग्रिल है, इसका लिफ्टेड साइड फेंडर एंड ऑल, इसके फिर पीछे बैक शटर, टायर्स, ऑफ रोडिंग टायर्स, इसका हाइट मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल है। और इससे भी बेटर जो है वो ये रेड वाला है जो इसके पीछे खड़ा है, ये टोयोटा हाइलक्स, ये भी ऑफ रोडिंग टायर के साथ में है, पूरा किट लगा हुआ, ग्रिल लगा हुआ, शटर एंड ऑल, हैमर का पूरा प्रोटेक्टेड किट। यू कैन सी द हाइट ऑफ कार, मैं 6 फीट का हूँ और ये मतलब मेरे से और ऊपर है, तो यू कैन इमेजिन क्या हाइट है इस गाड़ी का। हियर आर सम फुटेज full of off-roading kit, hammer bumper, and after that this is the BMW M6 4-door, ये भी CS कस्टम में ही पूरा इसका काम हुआ है, यहाँ पर से ही। You can see the badging over here, you can see the exhaust tips and all. And after that here are X6 BMW 4-door. This is the SUV variant of, this is also tuned by CS Custom. You can see the grille, ground clearance and all. This is all are amazing. This is the 911 2-door. This is amazing. 7864 with the beautiful number. This is the Skoda. This is Skoda with the Acra Provic system. You can see the this is the Ford Endeavour with the Raptor kit, grill and all, with the off-roading tires. You can see the tire and all. It's a 4WD titanium, beautiful work. It's a maybe a little lifted, I don't know, but ये रैप्टर का ग्रिल बहुत अमेजिंग लग रहा है इसके ऊपर। Here are our Porsche. So this is the Porsche GTS 2-door hardtop. The beautiful exhaust tips. With this double strips, it looks all amazing. This is the BMW X5. ये ट्यून हुई है सी ट्यूनर के पास. You can see the badging over here.
Created here with all of you present to witness one of the grandest motoring festival kickoff with a big bang. There you have it, Mira Erda behind the wheel of the MG Cyberster, which is one of the coolest looking roadsters I've seen in a long time. The lines are beautiful, the stance is amazing, and I'm sure. Are you ready? Come on everybody, make some noise! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!